we rotate around the business, experiencing different departments, understanding what they do and how they interact with all the other departments within the factory. And it gets a good understanding of how they all interlink and what their core responsibilities are to ensure our products are manufactured and meet our customers. At the moment, I'm in a placement within project management. My responsibility is to ensure all projects that are currently running are up to date and make sure that I report these to senior managers on a weekly meeting. I attend daily meetings such as the Junior Factory. We report on the previous build day, if we've met our targets, report on any nil stocks or material shortages and if there's any quality issues with our products. I enjoy being given a problem and trying to solve it because engineering is all about trying to solve the world's toughest problems. It's so rewarding to make something better or to come up with something new that nobody else has. I really enjoy running in my spare time. I think of running as I set myself a target for running how many laps or how much distance I make, and I relate that to work. I set myself a target and I push myself to meet it. I was really interested in maths and physics at school, and after career fairs and talking to my sister who went into an engineering apprenticeship, I knew that was for me something where I could learn about the engineering theory but also apply it hands-on in a practical environment. I just love learning something new and learning how things work basically. If I don't get a problem sorted, it's at the back of my mind and I'm always thinking about it, and to me engineering is solving problems and that's the key part of my role, and if I'm not solving problems then I'm not doing my job, and that's what pushes me to keep going. The person who I admire the most and who acts like a role model was my mentor. She gives such a good example of how to push yourself but how to develop yourself at the same time, and I'm always looking for her for inspiration and guidance. My work's pretty small, but I'd like to think of I'm the tiny cog within a system. As long as I'm turning and as long as I'm helping to improve the system, the whole system works together and that receives great results. Engineering is all about answering the world's toughest questions. How do we make things greener? How can we reduce climate change? That's what engineering is, answering those sorts of questions.